In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Security. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Now select Got It at the bottom right corner and create your login method. Following that, repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint right away, hit Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it, select Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!